Potato and celery. Potato is a round vegetable that grows underground and has white flesh with light brown, red, or pink skin, according to the Cambridge Dictionary. It also describes the celery as a vegetable with long, thin, whitish, or pale green stems that can be eaten uncooked or cooked. Our topic for today is about differentiating a root crop from a stem. This is Teacher Jeffrey. Come and dive in. In differentiating potato and celery in this experiment, we will use a dye. The dye that we are going to use is the iodine solution. These are the steps that we will use to differentiate potato from celery. First, cut potato and celery 4 cm in length. Second, place the potato and celery standing on the white tile. Third, apply iodine solution on top of the potato and celery. And fourth, let it stand for 5 minutes. This is how we place iodine on the potato and celery. After 5 minutes, we will wipe the excess iodine solution by using paper towel. This is how it looks after we damp paper towel on the potato and celery. Now, we will observe. We will answer this question as our guide for our observation. How did the iodine solution react on the surface of both potato and celery? The iodine solution turns the whole surface of the potato blue-black, while it did not turn the surface of the celery blue-black, but only stained on certain areas. Next part of our experiment is to identify which contains the xylem vessels. We will check the vertical section of both potato and celery. Here is our procedure. First, cut the potato and celery vertically in 3 parts. Second, observe. This is the result after cutting the potato and celery into 3 parts vertically. By observing the potato and the celery, what have you noticed? We will use this question as our guide for our observation. Did the iodine stain move from the surface down? This is our observation. The iodine solution on the potato did not go down, while on the celery it did. Therefore, we can conclude which contains starch and which contains the xylem vessel by using the iodine solution. Which contains starch? Is it the potato or the celery? Our answer is potato. Potato contains starch as the iodine solution turns blue-black. Another question is, which contains the xylem vessels? Is it the potato or celery? The answer is celery. The celery contains xylem vessels as the iodine solution moves down. A potato is a root crop because it contains starch, while celery is a stem as it contains xylem vessels, as the iodine moves down. Before we end, answer this question. Which of the following statements is true about potato and celery? A. Potato is a root and celery is a stem. B. Potato is a stem and celery is a root. C. Both potato and celery are root. D. Both potato and celery are stem. Write your answer in the comments below. This wraps up our topic for today. differentiating a root crop from a stem. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to click like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you can be prompted for our upcoming videos. Always remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. This is Teacher Jeffrey. Bye for now.